How to change club on Planet Fitness app. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can change club on the Planet Fitness app. Now there are specific key things that you need to be reminded first before or especially if this is going to be your first time transferring or switching to a different club. So the very first thing that you want to have to look for to make sure that you have at least a monthly membership and you must not owe any fees. If you meet the criteria, then the change is very simple. So say for example, you're already located at that specific club. So all you have to do is go ahead and navigate through the menu from the application and select My Account. Make sure that you're already logged in if you're going to be using the application. Now, from there, just go into membership and then select change if you already selected that current location or from the PF store. And that's it. That is how you change club on Planet Fitness app.